When your body's high-performance engine runs low on essential minerals, it starts to misfire. But here's the good news. You are equipped with the most sophisticated service center ever designed, with a master mechanic on call 24/7. This master mechanic is a biological process called homeostasis. It's a beautifully coordinated system. Your brain acts as the service manager dispatching orders. Your digestive system brings in new parts. Your bones act as a massive warehouse of reserves, and your kidneys intelligently filter and recycle what you need. But recovery doesn't happen instantly. It follows a precise timeline. In the first 2 hours after depletion, your body applies an emergency patch. The critical window is the next 24 hours when your gut is primed for active restoration. Over the next few weeks, your body works on deep system rebalancing and full performance optimization. What happens if you only ever give your engine a quick, temporary patch? You get stuck in a vicious cycle of incomplete repairs. Your body becomes adept at just getting by, leading to a lower baseline of energy, chronic symptoms that become your new normal, and a gradual decline in long-term health. Are you ready to break the depletion cycle and give your master mechanic the tools it needs? Read the complete guide on our website to understand the science of mineral absorption. Use the links in the description below to unlock your full recovery potential today.